Good morning, YouTube. Well, I just woke up and for the first time in a little while, I feel like making a video. Nothing fancy. Just, I don't even know what this video is about. Probably me just looking at a camera and talking. So, and getting dressed apparently. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. Here we go. Alright, switching over to the GoPro now. See how that works. It's a little easier to hold things on. God, it is cold out here. The cat that hangs out at my house. Allie. I'll show y'all something I'm working on. So this is my camping trailer. And this is a propane tank holder. It's not completely done yet, but yeah, that's what I made last night. And yeah, basically the propane tanks sit in there, and yeah, there's going to be a little T-bar that goes up here with a piece of like all thread or something that'll screw down and kind of hold them in place, and then something over here. So that should be cool. So yeah, then I'm about to go out to the market and do the knife shop thing. We are at the lovely Beach Boulevard Flea Market, where my knife shop is, for those of you that don't know, and it is kind of amazing. Check that out. going to be going out there and working on that little propane tank holder here in a minute, but a customer contacted me and I've got to work up a price on a couple of items. So, show you what I'm doing here. Just checking my website. Here, give you a little, show you what it looks like. Wow. So yeah. Oh. Yep, so I'm going to work up that price real quick, get with them, let them know what's up, and then we're going to do some welding. Alright, so this is what we're working on. What I'm needing to do, because this was kind of an afterthought, we're going to attach that there, and then I'm going to attach a bolt to that in order to I love where I live. So then we're going to attach a bolt to that so that a bar can come across the top and kind of lock the propane tanks in place. So that's the plan. It is getting really dark out here. I don't even know if you guys can see anything, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's neat the way that it works. I should have done this while the propane tanks were in it and showed you. But that's welded to that and so forth. This thing goes onto that bolt, which goes over the propane tanks. And then this pretty little thing goes onto that so that I can, and the lock washers go on it, so that the, it kind of locks the propane tank down. It's kind of cool, and it works perfectly. So, grind it up tomorrow, clean it up a little bit, paint it. I will call that a win. Alright, well, that's most of that was done yesterday, except for this last little part where I showed you everything. If you made it to the end of this, good on you. This had to be a pretty boring video, just assuming. So anyway, I appreciate you guys. I got a few more things in the making that I plan on doing here soon, so that should be cool. Yeah, y'all are the best. See y'all later. Bye.